In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom screenshots to Steam in just 5 minutes. Whether you're showcasing your gaming skills or preserving memorable moments, sharing screenshots on Steam is a great way to engage with fellow gamers and personalize your profile. First, let's get started by opening your Steam app. You'll want to ensure that it's up to date to avoid any glitches or delays during this process. Once you've opened the app, you should see the login button prominently displayed on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Make sure you enter these details carefully, and once you're done, click on the sign in button to proceed. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to the library section. This is where you'll find a list of all your games. Select a game you'd like to play and launch it. This step is necessary because you can only take screenshots within an active game session. While you're playing the game, look for moments you'd like to capture. You can take screenshots using the F12 key on your keyboard, which is the default key for capturing screenshots in Steam. You may want to jot this down if you're new to using Steam screenshots. Feel free to capture as many moments as you like. Once you're done taking screenshots, it's time to upload them. Exit the game and return to your Steam app. At the top of your Steam window, click on View, then navigate to Recordings and Screenshots. Here you'll see a collection of all the screenshots you've just captured. Now click on the select button, which allows you to choose the specific screenshots you want to upload. Once you've made your selection, click on the share icon. This presents you with two options. You can either save the images to your computer for further customization, or opt to share them directly on Steam. If you choose to share, simply click on the Share on Steam option. This prepares your screenshots for upload. Finally, click on the Upload button to complete the process. And there you have it. Your screenshots are now successfully uploaded to your Steam profile, ready for your friends and the community to see. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily upload custom screenshots to Steam. This simple process not only lets you showcase your gaming adventures, but also keeps your profile looking fresh and engaging for anyone browsing through it. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.